Hello guys, and today I'm going to be opening 100k, and I'm going to open some packs. I did sell Falcao and my non-rare players, all of them. I'm going to open two 25k packs and the rest 7.5k packs, because you know who we got in the last episode. So, okay, first 25k pack. Please. Are you serious? Come on, you can get better than that. Please. What? No more 25k packs. Finally. Oh my god, they were terrible. I don't really care. I just keep them all in the club. Okay, only a couple more packs left. Might not get anybody in there. Oh, son. Wow. Son, are you serious? Okay. Remember, we're not skipping this one, because in our last pack, we got Tony Cruz. Oh, I thought that was Aguero. Aguero. And I hate this person. He's seriously a troll for me. I always think it's Aguero. I'm not looking. Who did we get? I think crap. Yeah, it's crap. Just play balls that. And quick so. Come on. I'm not looking again. Oh my, are you serious? What is this? What? Oh my god. Oh, what? What the heck? Please. Please, yeah. I'm not looking. Who will it be now? Hopefully someone good. Agro. Are you serious? Agro? Wait a second. Let's see. Nope. I accidentally put this person for. I was like, no. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna. Anybody that can solve it? Nope. Last. Him. Just do it. And not Obasi, because I really need him. No. Okay. Last pack. Please. I'm not looking. Like, actually not looking. Oh. $81. Crap. These 25k packs are really bad. I didn't even get one new player from it. What the heck? That was really bad. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you liked it. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment, and peace.